Levi Desjardins with Carolina Masonry Concrete. Well, we tried the MULE for the first time. Definitely a learning curve at first, but then it turned out to be really good. People don't have to lift much block, and we get back on a 8-inch stairwell. We remember how it's like passing material around and lifting all that block every day. I'm watching Gary lay block. They're passing him a block. I turn around, get something else ready or whatever, and Gary's on the other side of the wall just like that. Two blocks at once, it makes a big difference.
Excellent.
Yeah, the older person, it helps out because I ain't got to, help my shoulders a lot, and it ain't like a lot of material in our way. It's we've got more room because material's coming to off another scaffold, so it kind of gives us more room to work.
It was pretty simple for everyone because everything was just set once, and the only thing we had to pass in was a couple 8-inch block and a half block for doors and stuff like that. But we had four masons, 2 laborers. You had guys building leads, spot 2 blocks for a lead.
Okay.
One guy's just take the mule around the horn. He runs it, next guy runs it, he runs it. The other guy's building lead, jointing, spreading walls, all that stuff. So